In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add cryptos to your Trust Wallet. So this is very easy. I'm gonna open my Trust Wallet extension, and as you can see, I only have a few cryptos right here. I have 7 coins, but let's say I want to add, for example, Cardano. It doesn't appear right here, so I can't receive money on Cardano. To add it to your crypto list, you need to click right here on Manage Crypto, and after that, you need to search for the crypto you want to add. This is Cardano, or you can just browse the list of all the coins you can add. As you can see, there is a lot of different options. You can also import it right here by selecting the network and the contract address. But in my case, Cardano is right here. I have selected it, and now it appears right here, and I can just click and receive money or send. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.